Got a few more down below. Can she make it? 5, oh! 4, 3, 2, 1. I don't know, so don't trust me. Oh!
Benson!
Ah! What's up, guys? WPFV here today, and we are back with our crazy ninja course. Today we are doing a Disney scavenger hunt for Legos, and you don't want to get Benson. So this is our ninja course from our previous video when the girls did their American Ninja Warrior Spartan race through this. And today we've got some Disney minifigures that the girls are going to be having to grab. So it's going to be timed. They've got to get as many of these as they can within 60 seconds. And then after that, we come swoop into this ball pit and have to find Lego boxes. So inside the little Lego boxes are some clues to the Toy Story Lego set that they will get. Each girl will get one Toy Story Lego set, and all these boxes have one paper in them with a clue. So the clue will say something like toy, and the other clue they have to match it with will say story. But if they get Benson, then that's bad. So whoever gets the most Bensons has to zip line from way down there into this ball pit. That's the punishment, because Benson catches you too much, you gotta splash into here. All right, so let's go. All right, timer girl, are you ready?
Yeah.
All right, Lyla, are you ready?
Yeah.
All right, first contestant, and we'll put 60 seconds on the clock. Count down when it gets close, okay?
Okay.
All right, ready, set, go.
Oh,
Try to go super fast.
ow.
We had to go youngest to oldest because some of them are really high, and I didn't think Lila would be able to get those. Go, Lila, go, Lila, go! Throw them, throw them, throw them, throw them down. Go, 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 go. Go,
How do I get
go, go! Woo, Lila! Go, go, go! Oh, now we're moving. Okay.
Oh gosh. That's okay.
Doing good. We're getting stuck. Oh, oh, oh. And good
I
job.
want to get this one.
All right, that's it. Good job, Lila.
Gotta get it.
Good job. That's awesome.
Got 1, 2, 3,
Oh,
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I got that. And I
9?
just needed one more.
all right. That's awesome. All right, Hailey. So it's going to be tougher and tougher for you guys because now they're pretty much all just up high. Lila's gotten pretty much all the low ones. Okay.
It's actually not that hard because I can just like climb on all this stuff.
Okay. Are you ready? Kayla, you ready?
Yeah.
All right, 60 seconds on the clock. Go! Nice. Hailey, just throw them down. It's fine. Woo! Woo!
Make that go.
Oh, man. Hailey.
It's easy.
Legos are flying. Woohoo!
Okay. Let's go down here.
Oh, no!
That got it.
Oh, I got it. I got it. I got it. Woo! Oh no. Kayla, how we doing? Count it down for us. Oh, that doesn't count.
I didn't mean to.
4, 3, 2, 1. Ah! Good job. Woohoo!
Very low one.
All right. Good job.
Gosh, it's trapped.
Yeah. You guys both made it to the end. Let's see how many you got.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I got it.
Well, you got 11 because there's one in there too. All right, good job.
Yay!
Final contestant, are you ready?
Yeah.
Get
Get
set.
Go!
Woo! Oh, careful! Oh my gosh! Well, luckily the timer didn't start. All right, now it did. Okay. Whoa, gosh. We'd give you an extra few seconds for that.
I'm scared. I don't want it to break anymore.
No, no, no. Be very careful. This is pretty dangerous.
Yeah.
Nice, nice, nice. Woo!
I'm dancing.
Thank you. Meow.
Oh, you going for the high up ones? Here you go.
Oh, spider web.
Oh man, how many are up there? Sweet. There you go.
I have no clue where that went.
Got a few more down below. Can't you make it?
5,
Oh!
4,
Ah!
3, 2, 1.
Ah! We just missed one. Oh man. Nice.
I shut it off right at 1 minute.
Good job, Hailey. Oh, whoa. All right, let's see what your final count is. 14. Woo! Now, dive in there, Lyla, and try to get, you gotta open up the little Lego blocks once you find them.
I want to jump in now.
Okay, but 2 Lego blocks and read what they say, okay? So go, fast! Find 2 Lego blocks. Reach your hands around. They're like little Lego cases. Probably at the way bottom. Yeah, there's one. Open that up. Oh, you can open it up. See what it says. See what it says.
No.
Yeah, these are hard to open. So we got to push it right here. Push it right there. All right, what does that one say? What does that say?
Rick.
RC. Okay, what do you think that is?
I don't know.
Maybe Woody's car. So look for another one.
Wait, did I just
Oh, what's that one?
play?
Play. Okay.
You could make Play-Doh maybe.
So do you think these 2 go together or no? No. Okay.
That doesn't really make sense.
No, it doesn't.
Let's see. Oh god. I'm slipping a lot.
It's hard.
I found one. I found any more?
Okay, open that one up. Oh no.
I only got one though.
Benson! Oh no!
I gotta find all the other ones.
Yes, you do. You get too many Bensons, then you gotta go down the zip line because you're trying to get away from Benson.
Oh, red one.
Red one.
How many more do I have to find?
Well, until you find a match to one of these words. Oh no!
The other Benson.
Oh
Now I
no!
got 2.
Oh. We'll have
How
to
many
see who
more?
gets the most of those.
That's mine. How many more? Another Benson.
We got 3.
How many more do I have to find?
Well, you have to match one of these words with something that is a Lego set. So, what do you think could be play what?
Play-Doh.
No, what kind of Lego set? Toy Story.
Car.
Oh, all right. So does car go with play? Like, could we do play car? Or could we do like this one?
What is that one? I think these ones good.
What does that say?
I don't know.
That one's hard for you, I know. RC. And then,
Rock.
no, RC. Woody has a RC
Car.
car. So you found a match. There you go. That's
Benson doesn't make a flat. Now we.
all right. So that is your Lego set. So you get the RC car set. Okay.
Oh my.
Cool.
But I need to find that other one too.
Well, no, because we're gonna let the girls find the other ones. Okay. So you got 3 Bensons, Lyla. Okay. Hailey, ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, go. Nice, Hailey.
I was gonna dive, but I thought it hurt.
All right, be careful. You don't want to get more than 3 Bensons or you'll be zip lining into this. Unless you want to, it's kind of fun.
Oh, found one.
Whoop.
Oh, that's a Benson.
Uh-oh, that's a Benson.
Did you like put the Bensons in a certain color?
No, they're just all mixed in. So there's like a red Lego block, yellow, green, and blue.
That one. Oh.
Oh no.
I need to get up.
Oh no.
Another Benson.
Dude!
2 so far.
Oh my gosh, Hailey.
So far they've been in the red one.
Actually, you're right. Well, I think there's only one more red one.
Yeah, and I'm gonna look at it.
You're gonna? You're gonna take the chance? Oh, you found a blue
Should
one.
I save this or should I open it?
I don't know. It's up to you. Whatever you think. Oh, no.
Benson.
I saw
So
the
far, I've
B.
gotten 3.
Hailey! Okay, I don't see Benson's name.
Cat. C-A.
C-A. Okay.
I'm gonna save that one and keep it open so I can leave it right there and look at it.
All right.
I want to try to find a different color than the ones I've gotten so far.
Oh no, you've just gotten red and blue so far.
Yellow or
We'll
something.
look for yellow or green. It's weird how hard this is. Oh no, another red one?
Red.
What if that's the one you need? I don't know, so don't trust me. Oh!
Benson.
Is it really?
Mm-hmm.
Oh gosh.
Okay, what's this? Play.
Play. Okay, Lila got that one last time. So you've got play and ka. So gotta think of a Lego set that's Toy Story and what could go.
Play?
Because I don't think those really go together, do you?
Nah.
No.
Found a green one.
Woo! Oh, Hailey!
Benson.
Goodness!
Looks like I'm gonna be the one who's ziplining into it. Another green one. Please be good. Okay, it's not Benson. Playground. Playground.
Must be the Toy Story playground set.
Mhm.
All right, let's see how many Bensons you got, because you got a lot.
I'm pretty sure it's like 5. Yeah, I got 5.
Got 5? Okay, Kayla, so you don't want to get more than 5 Bensons, okay? And there's only one more Toy Story Lego set clues in here, so good luck. Okay, ready? Yeah. Go! All your sisters dive in, you're taking the careful approach. Yes. Oh, you already found one? Nice. Oh no, I know what that is. Benson! Oh, hey, you got 2? Well, you gonna try to find most of them and then pick which ones you open? Another one?
I got every color.
Dude, how are you finding these so easily? Your sisters are having trouble. They're like the exact same colors as the ball pit balls. Let's see, any over here? Which colors do you think are the lucky colors, huh?
I don't know. I saw a lot of red ones.
And nobody likes the red. Nothing?
Can't find any more.
Okay, it's alright. You might have the clues already. If we don't have the clues, we have to keep going.
We're just gonna open a bunch of Bensons.
Yes, you are. Oh, what's that say?
Boom.
All right, I know who this is. Do you?
Yeah. I don't like you.
Is that a Benson?
Yes.
Your 3rd Benson?
Another one.
Benson! 4! Kayla! Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. That's 5, Kayla. You're tied with Hailey.
Boom.
What'd you get?
It's Kaboom.
Kaboom. Toot Kaboom, my favorite character. All right, nice. So, since you and Hailey tied, I think
Hailey should do it.
Hailey should do it only because you've got more minifigs than her, right?
Yeah.
All right.
Duplicates I have.
Oh, we're gonna come inside and see all those. Oh, I get to keep the duplicates?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Can I jump in again?
Sure. Whoa! Where'd you go?
I want to jump again.
Okay. Whoa! Woohoo! There's some snow angels.
Hell.
I can't help you. I have to go open some Legos. You ready for your zip line? To escape Benson?
Yep, I'm gonna escape Benson.
All right.
Kind of like Duke Kaboom flying onto the shell.
That's right.
Okay, tell me once you're ready.
Okay, I'm ready. I'm gonna try to keep up with you.
Okay.
go, Duke Kaboom. Woo! Nice. Look. It's okay. We probably should have slowed that back a little bit, but good job. Duke Kaboom escaped. Woo! Cool.
We're going to save Forky. Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go. Build those houses and
Let's
whatever.
Yeah, let's
Save
go
Forky.
see what we got.
Dang, my shoe keeps trying to fall.
Good job, Hailey. That was awesome. All right, so let's see your Toy Story 4 Lego set.
RC car.
You got RC car?
What's Woody?
That is awesome.
I already have Jessie in that set.
We'll show that set in a minute too. What'd you get, Hailey?
I got the little playground set.
With Bo Peep and Gabby Gabby and Buzz Lightyear.
Mm-hmm.
All right, and Kayla, show us this amazingness.
I got the Duke Kaboom one.
Oh my goodness, that is so cool.
Mama, jealous.
I am jealous. All right, guys, you can go ahead and set these up, and we'll see them when they're done.
Okie dokie. See my minifigures I got?
Yeah. Oh my goodness.
I put them in pairs, so like the Frozen pair, Batman, Hercules. This is
Dale.
cool.
Frozone.
Well, this one's Kayla's, but
Edna.
he's still super cool.
Those are awesome, Hailey. All right, so here's all our little Legos.
Look at mine.
All right, let's see what you got. Let me see your minifigs first.
Hello.
So we collected the whole Disney set except for Huey, Dewey, and Louie, which are the little ducks.
To my.
These 3 little ducks. Those are the only ones we did not get.
But I am a duck.
But you got McScrooge.
And look at this.
Whoa, Woody's RC car. Whoa, that's so cool. And look at his little people.
Yeah, they're little army men.
Those are so cute. And you can smash into them?
And there was an extra one, so she gave it to me.
Oh,
'Cause there's only
nice.
supposed to be 3. It shows it on there.
All right, and we saw your minifigures. So let's see this little set. Your
And now
playground.
it's just. She comes
Wow.
out.
Oh, it's her
then-
little skunk
You
mobile.
walk over here, go down the slide. See, she's going down.
Ah!
And there's a little rock wall, and this can come up and down too. I want to go up the rock wall.
Oh, that is
There's a little chilling
awesome.
place under both.
Can you turn it around so you can see the back?
Watch this.
Oh, Buzz is in there.
Buzz Lightyear's making some little eggies.
He sure is.
There's even a little oven. The mailbox thing is supposed to be a little oven.
That is so cool.
There's a little window that can actually open and close. Ready? It's a little tough. I don't
I
know.
love it, and this looks like an actual little playground thing.
Woody.
And then we got Buzz and Gabby Gabby.
I like putting this little
Bo Peep.
hat on Gabby Gabby. See?
Let's see. Oh,
It's
that's
a little
Minnie's little
extra
hat.
mini hat.
That's so cute. And then Kayla, what do we got over here?
These are the duplicates.
All right.
And then we
Which
have,
so Pac Mom gets to make out, right?
we have all of these.
Wow. I love the Mickey and Minnie. They're so cute. And Duke Kaboom!
We have the set. We have Woody, who's hanging on like the back of the motorcycle.
Oh my gosh, that is awesome.
And then he gets to go through. Oh.
Kaboom! Oh my goodness, that is amazing. So he's even got his little pump.
And then Woody can also like hold up the motorcycle when you're just.
Oh,
done
that's
with
cool.
it. And then you also
You
have
got
like,
extra cars?
2 little cars. I think Woody can sit on them.
Oh,
And
nice.
then these.
What are those little things?
I honestly don't know.
Little barrels? Or yeah, gas barrels.
Or maybe they have gas in them for the car.
They could. Oh,
They're
that's
going
so
zooming
cute.
fast. Look, Buzz Lightyear's pretending like he's flying. Hey, look. Hey, look, guys. Gabby's holding on for dear life. And Bo Peep's little cape is flying.
You wanna get
Look.
car? We'll have a race.
Oh, yeah. Dude, guys, look. No, I'm flying.
and Yama.
Wait, look at his face. He honestly doesn't know how to sit on this. He's gonna fly.
Kaboom!
Power.
I do, that's cool. Oh my gosh, look at his face. And he's got hair too, so if you want to take off his helmet, you can put his little hair on, which is right here. Oh, and this is our extra set we had bought just a few days earlier. This is the little Jessie RV camper van set. from when they were camping in the movie. So the coolest thing about this little set, besides all of it, is that it has a little forky. Look at this. How adorable. He's so tiny.
Jesse.
You want to race Jesse?
Jesse. Can I use Forky really quick? He's gonna go on a ride with all the others.
Oh, man.
Yeah, I'm joining. Look at Bo Peep's
That's
cake
so
pie.
cool.
Cute. Here's
A little hot dog, and a little camper van.
That is not cute.
Alien.
This is cute.
And Rex.
Rex.
Ah.
I'm Jesse. Let me on this ride.
Cool. These are so fun. Well, if you guys like this video, please leave it a big fat like. Thumbs up for Toy Story. And we will see you guys in the next video. Bye.